My topic is direct response advertising in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Direct response advertising is a marketing strategy that prompts customers to take an immediate action after viewing an advertisement. This type of advertising typically includes a call to action with a specific offer or incentive for customers to respond to. The goal of direct response advertising is to generate a measurable response from the audience, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or calling a phone number. This advertising approach is often used in direct mail campaigns, email marketing, and digital advertising. Direct response advertising is highly targeted and focused on specific demographics, which allows businesses to track the success of their advertising efforts and make adjustments as necessary. By generating a clear response from customers, businesses can quickly evaluate the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns and make changes to improve their ROI. Additionally, direct response advertising can create a sense of urgency among customers, increasing the likelihood that they will take action immediately. Overall, direct response advertising is a powerful tool for businesses looking to create a measurable impact with their advertising efforts. Furthermore, direct response advertising can be cost-effective, as it allows businesses to reach their target audience with precision, rather than spending money on broad-based advertising methods that may not reach the intended demographic. Additionally, direct response advertising allows for personalized messaging, which can increase engagement and conversions. Direct response advertising also enables businesses to gather valuable data on their customers, such as their preferences and habits, which can inform future marketing strategies. This data can be used to create targeted and personalized marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with customers, leading to higher conversion rates and increased ROI. Overall, direct response advertising is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their advertising campaigns and increase their bottom line. By targeting specific demographics and focusing on generating a clear response from customers, businesses can create a measurable impact with their advertising efforts and gain valuable insights into their customers' behavior and preferences. Direct response advertising and brand advertising are two primary types of online advertising. While brand advertising establishes connections and long-term relationships with consumers over time, direct response is about getting results now. Direct response advertising is a type of advertising that aims to trigger an immediate response from the audience. The goal of direct response advertising is to encourage consumers to take a specific action, such as signing up for a free trial, putting down a reservation, filling out a form, or making a purchase. Direct response advertising is a powerful technique that marketing and sales teams use to encourage their target audience to complete a call to action. There are several channels and methods of implementing this technique, from direct mail advertisements to digital platforms. Understanding how to create an effective direct response strategy may help you improve your advertising efforts. In this article, we define direct response advertising, discuss how professionals use it, list key benefits and share tips to help you successfully incorporate direct response advertising into your marketing plan. Direct response advertising is a sales and marketing technique used to generate leads and reward customers for performing certain tasks, like sharing a link or referring a friend. This type of advertising can be effective because it encourages customers to connect with a brand by providing incentives. Examples of direct response advertising techniques may include rewards for referring new customers, free shipping on orders over a certain value, discounts or benefits for subscribing to a newsletter, free trials of a product or service, discounts when committing to a service contract. Direct response advertising channels. Marketers and advertising teams use direct response advertising to reward customers for completing a clear call to action or engaging in an offer. There are several channels you may use to communicate these efforts to your target audience, including direct mail advertisements. Direct mail is a popular form of advertising and can be very effective at reaching a target audience, especially if the marketing team hopes to attract customers from a specific area. Customers may receive lots of promotional emails, so using direct mail in your direct response strategy could help you differentiate yourself from the competition. Direct mail is also a great way to start a referral program. You may include a voucher with a clear call to action, such as a discount on their next service when they refer a friend. Email advertisements. Email advertising is an effective and commonly used method to promote brand awareness and generate leads through direct response strategies. You may use emails to promote rewards to potential customers, such as free trials of a product or service with a purchase over a certain dollar amount. You may also use email advertisements to include discount codes or vouchers to apply to future purchases. Website content. Many companies host content on their websites, like blog posts and videos. Informational content can help your customers learn about the company, but these resources can also provide a useful channel for direct response advertising. You may incorporate calls to action within your digital content. For example, a hair salon may include a link to book a free consultation on the services page of their website. This may encourage customers to complete the call to action and increase the likelihood that they book a service in the future. Social media advertisements. Social media can be an effective way to reach a large audience and promote brand awareness. You may use social media functions as calls to action, such as encouraging your customers to follow a page or share a post in exchange for a discount on future purchases. Many marketing analytics programs have tools that measure the % of customers who access your site through a social media link, so you can track how many people take advantage of the offer. Television and radio advertisements. You may use television or radio ads to offer additional perks to your customers upon purchasing your products or services. Marketers have been using this technique for years, and it's an effective way to incentivize customers to complete purchases or engage with the brand. You might provide a special coupon code in the advertisement that allows customers to access the promotional offer. Provides measurable results. Direct response campaigns are often easier to track than other advertisement methods, allowing you to measure your success more accurately. You may do this by tracking phone numbers, email addresses, URLs or mailing addresses to record how many of your customers complete your call to action. You can also use different coupon codes for each marketing channel, which can help you identify the most successful advertising methods. Understanding the success of a direct response advertising campaign may help you make informed decisions for future direct response efforts. Creates a sense of urgency. Sometimes, you can motivate customers to purchase a product, enroll in a trial service or complete another action by creating a sense of urgency. You can use direct response advertising to achieve this goal by putting a time limit on an exclusive offer. For example, a tutoring company might offer a discount on test prep services for customers who enroll within 2 weeks of their student's trial session. Shortening the sales cycle allows the sales team to reach more potential customers, which can increase revenue. This can lead to better informed marketing strategies and improved ROI over time. As such, direct response advertising is a powerful tool that should be considered by businesses of all sizes and industries looking to improve their advertising effectiveness and drive revenue growth. One of the key benefits of direct response advertising is its ability to provide measurable results. By using specific calls to action and tracking mechanisms, businesses can easily determine the effectiveness of their advertising efforts and make data-driven decisions about how to allocate their marketing budget. Direct response advertising also allows businesses to target specific audiences with personalized messaging, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. This is particularly important in today's crowded advertising landscape, where consumers are bombarded with countless ads every day. Moreover, direct response advertising can be customized to fit a variety of channels, including print, radio, television, and digital media. This flexibility allows businesses to reach customers wherever they are most likely to engage with their brand. In conclusion, direct response advertising is a valuable tool that can help businesses improve their marketing effectiveness and drive revenue growth. By providing measurable results, targeting specific audiences, and offering flexible solutions, direct response advertising can help businesses of all sizes and industries achieve their marketing goals. Additionally, direct response advertising is cost-effective compared to traditional advertising. Business owners only pay for the responses or actions received, such as clicks or conversions, which makes it easier to track their ROI. This approach is particularly advantageous for small businesses that have limited budgets for marketing expenses. Finally, direct response advertising allows businesses to build a relationship with their customers by engaging them in a two-way conversation. This enables companies to receive feedback from their customers and adjust their messaging based on their preferences and needs. This feedback loop creates a stronger bond between businesses and their customers, which can lead to increased loyalty and customer lifetime value. Overall, the benefits of direct response advertising make it a powerful and effective marketing approach that businesses should consider incorporating into their marketing strategies. By focusing on the needs and preferences of their target audience, businesses can achieve increased engagement, measurable results, and higher ROI, expands brand recognition. Some companies use direct response advertising to increase their referral rate or social media audience. Marketers might design advertising campaigns that offer discounts to customers who refer a certain number of new customers or whose referrals result in sales of a certain number. Other marketers might hold online raffles for free products or discounted services. Customers who share the company's post on their social media accounts might gain entry to the raffle. These campaigns increase the number of people who see the company's content, which can improve sales, offers value to customers. Effective direct response advertisements offer additional value to customers. Often, marketing professionals conduct research to identify the emotions and values that motivate customers to buy a certain product or service. By understanding their customers' motivations, they can develop exclusive offers that appeal to their target audience. For example, a car dealership's marketing team might conduct surveys of drivers in their area to identify the warranties and service programs that appeal to them. Then, the team might offer a discount on the most popular warranty program to customers who purchase a new car during a sales event. Use high-quality copy. When you're sending a direct mail or email campaign, grammatically correct copy can give your customers a positive impression of the company's brand. Generally, customers respond well to simple, direct information about a company's products and promotional offers. Many companies hire copywriters to create engaging, concise advertising content. Short paragraphs and bulleted lists can make your copy more accessible to readers. You can also provide links to longer content pieces in your short-form advertisements for customers who want to learn more. Tailor benefits to your target audience. Understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience can help you customize your offers to suit them. Consider researching the demographics of your customer base, such as age and geographic location. This may help you use language in your offer that your audience can easily relate to, and it could help you determine the ideal type of reward to offer them. Many marketing and advertisement management platforms offer customer research tools, which use internet research to identify trends in your target audience's buying habits. Write engaging headlines. Unique, concise headlines can distinguish your direct response advertisements from those sent by a competing company. Consider using short, impactful statements and rhetorical questions, which can pique your audience's curiosity and encourage them to read the advertisement. You might use marketing software to do a keyword search, which can identify terms that your target audience uses in online searches for products and services like yours. Incorporating keywords into your headline can help your audience see how relevant your advertisement is to their interests. Include limitations. Placing a limitation on your offer can create a sense of urgency and encourage your customers to act quickly. For example, you might send an email campaign offering free shipping for customers who order a product in the next 24 hours and use a specific coupon code. You can also put a limit on the number of customers who receive the promotion, which can encourage customers to make a purchase and refer your brand to others. Limited promotional offers can also convey confidence in your brand, which can increase audience interest. Direct response marketing, or performance marketing, is a marketing strategy that focuses on short-term objectives, such as driving conversions or sales. This approach optimizes sales or leads by focusing on accurately targeting people who are most likely to buy. Direct response is a type of marketing designed to elicit an instant response by encouraging prospects to take a specific action. Direct response advertisements must trigger immediate action from prospects, since the goal is to generate leads quickly. In contrast to traditional marketing, which aims to raise brand awareness and promote brand image long-term, direct response shows ROI immediately. Marketers can leverage direct response on any numbers of channels, including TV, print, radio, email, digital and social. Each direct response campaign should have a specific goal: sign up, share with contacts, register, etc., and, in exchange, provide prospects with an irresistible offer. Direct response is one of many ways to engage your target audience. Download our white paper, The Waste in Advertising, to help inform how you build your media plan. It only takes 5 seconds. Customer centricity. In order to get consumers to respond to your ad, they need to know that it's beneficial to them. Focusing on the brand will not get consumers to respond to your ads. Focusing on consumer problems or on things they care about will yield better results. This could include offering a white paper on a topic in their field or encouraging them to opt into a newsletter list with valuable content. Personalization and targeting. How well do you know your customers and do you know what they will respond to? Targeting your ads to specific groups so you can personalize the message will generate the best results. 80% of consumers say they are more likely to do business with a brand that offers personalized interactions. A clear CTA. Since a direct response is defined as an ad that calls viewers to do something, the offer is a crucial part of the advertisement. Effective direct response advertising may not aim to sell the prospect a good or service at the moment, but instead may be trying to encourage the next action, such as, download a white paper, sign up for the newsletter, attend an event. Direct response ads with high conversion rates need singular, clear, easily accessible calls to action, CTAs, so that consumers know exactly what action to take. Urgency. A sense of urgency inspires consumers to act quickly, increasing conversion rates. Direct response ads should emphasize urgency by using techniques like scarcity, while supplies last, time limits, discount code expires on Sunday, and competition, whoever gets the most social shares receives a prize. Easily track and measure. Since direct response ads have unique correlated actions, it's easy to see how many prospects and leads come from each campaign. This is key to optimizing marketing strategy. Knowing which ads and media are most effective allows you to allocate resources to those techniques that translate into ROI. Identify interested prospects. Consumers who respond to direct response ads have opted in, giving sales teams a list of prospects who have shown interest in your brand or product. This helps sales teams focus on driving interested prospects through the sales funnel instead of wasting time on cold leads. Establish direct lines of communication. Direct response ads help form stronger relationships with prospects and potential customers by establishing direct lines of communication with them. In successful direct response campaigns, your prospects are looking to be contacted by your brand with information they find useful. Having prospects who want to be contacted by you versus having a list of contacts you've collected is a big differentiator when trying to close sales deals. Make the response easy. Consumers are less likely to fill out forms with a high number of fields to get to a white paper or wait on a phone line for more information. Thus, make it easy and quick for your consumers to respond to your ad and your conversion rates will increase. Make the call to action specific. Part of making the response easy for consumers is incorporating a specific, clear CTA. The desired next action should be immediately recognizable. Let the consumer know exactly what they need to do and how to do it. For example, if the goal of the campaign is to have people opt into your newsletter, only include a CTA button for this action, as additional CTAs, say, promoting your social channels, will distract from the goal. Use compelling copy. Consumers are bombarded by advertisements. Most Americans see between 4,000 and 10,000 ads every single day, and have learned to ignore most of them. In order to stand out and grab attention, your direct response ads need to use compelling copy and, if applicable, gripping subject lines. Ad copy should be as personalized as possible, targeted strategically by channel and medium, and simple enough that consumers can quickly understand what you're offering. Follow up. Since many of these campaigns are offering value instead of focusing on the final purchase, make sure your sales and marketing teams are clear on how to engage prospects further, moving them down the funnel. Will these leads be placed into a nurture campaign or will sales follow up directly? Establishing next steps is crucial when setting up your direct response campaigns. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.